So here's another time lapse. I'm trying to do a picture for a children's book I'm trying to get together. So for my daughter, just to show her that I'm thinking about her and wanted to teach her some important stuff about the world and how it works and creativity and exploration, and some life lessons and some fun as well. So this is based off a previous picture I did where the two characters here, Bunny and the little girl, meet a dragon, scary dragon in a place, and this is to show that, hey, the scary dragon isn't so scary. Look, they're having a tea party. So it's just like, yeah, I used iPad book, no, Iartbook on the iPad. That's the fella, to do the initial sketch, and then transferred it across to my big computer where I'm just drawing in on Photoshop. So this is just getting just the basic shapes in, just doing some just general sketchiness, and then going in and isolating down and tightening up and adding more stuff. And yeah, this is just the initial concept, and like it, Bunny and Maple were the two main characters, and Bunny initially looking a little worried there, so I'm trying to do something a little less scary. And here's the dragon, and then oh yeah, this is just adding in some of the background from the previous picture, just putting it in there. It's supposed to be a little road and a little babbling brook and some stones, and then put that in the background, and boom,